3 ways to craft killer resumes. I've written 20 resumes in a month, and this is what I've learned while crafting these resumes. Number one thing is you need to tailor your resumes to the job descriptions you are trying to apply to. What do I mean by this? When you get any job description, check out the keywords being noted in that job descriptions and then tailor it to your own experiences. For example, if communication skills is being needed in that job descriptions, make sure you write and highlight that you have communication skills in your own resume. This way, when it's being uploaded in the ATS platform, the system will be able to recognize your resume, and this will help you to stand out among other people that are also looking for that same job. Alright. The second thing that I've learned while crafting 20 resumes in a month is making sure that I highlight my client's skills effectively. If you have email management skills, customer service skills, data entry skills, you need to highlight these skills in your resume. For example, let's say you have social media management skills. Don't just list it like that and leave it. You can write increase social media engagement by 30% through targeted content strategies. This is more specific and result driven. The third thing I learned while crafting 20 resumes in a month is making sure I showcase my clients' experiences effectively. Now, you might be saying that you are a beginner. You can highlight your experiences, whether it's from working for your family, friends, for yourself as an intern, or by volunteering. These are all experiences. Just make sure that you add value to these experiences and show them how you got results from the experiences you have gotten. Remember, employers are not just looking for people that can do the work. They are looking for people that can solve problems for them and also add value to their businesses. So if you can be able to use all these things I've said in this video in your resume, you have a high chance of being called for an interview. For a recap, we discussed that if you want to craft a high killer resume, you need to 1. Tailor your resume to the job descriptions. 2. Make sure to highlight your skills. And 3. Highlight your experiences effectively. So I hope these tips helps you in creating your resume. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified.